What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I wanted to show you real quick this new Dbrand. Oh, I'm sorry, the Dbrand screen protector that I got, the glass screen protector for my OnePlus Open. So it comes in this box. All right, it's not a product; it's a culture. Dbrand. All right, purchased. We knew you would. Delivered. You're welcome. Install, there's only one correct way, and you go to dbrand.com/how, and it brings up the YouTube video on how to install it. All right, it comes with two screen protectors, so here's the extra one. All right, I'm gonna leave that in the box, and then also with the squeegee here, and then the microfiber cloth. This is the Dbrand microfiber cloth that it comes with. And then, of course, your wipes, and then a sticker to get the lint off. All right. And here it is. Let me turn my screen off. Here it is on the phone. So if you can see here, there is a little bit of bubbling, but for the most part, it's all even. Like everything is all even where it's supposed to be. But, you know, we can buffer with the squeegee. Get a little bit of that bubbling out. But everywhere else, we're good. We're good to go. Pretty good shot for my first time putting it on here. But they do expect you to make mistakes and mess up, which is why there's a second one. But this is the screen protector that was on the OnePlus Open originally. And it's just, you know, a little flimsy screen protector, you know, plastic screen protector. Nothing's wrong with this. Nothing is wrong with this at all. This held it down for the last few months that I've had the OnePlus Open. But I prefer the glass screen protector. I just like the feel of that. And just in case I do fumble my phone, this is going to protect a little bit better than this. All right. So I wanted to go ahead and upgrade that. It was $24.99 from dbrand.com for the extra real estate on the glass screen protector. All right. So if you're interested in that, want to upgrade your screen protector and add a little bit more protection, that's where you will go to get it. Let me bring a little more light in here. Hopefully you all can see that. All right. So yeah, there it is. It's on there pretty good. Once again, I mean, I can buff that out and then put the case back on there, but I'm not too worried about just that little bit. Put the front case back on it now. Make sure that snaps in, which may be an issue with the glass screen protector. It is a little bit thicker now, so that may be the one. Oh, hold on, I know what it is. I gotta put it all the way on there. There we go. It wasn't snapping in place, but once you get that on there, it may be a little too thick on this edge now with the glass screen protector. That might be one problem. That might be a problem right there. Is the front cover here. This front cover may not go back on there now because this screen protector is actually thicker than the regular plastic one. So we'll have to see. Give it a little wipe down. We'll have to see if this is going to be an issue. I do have another screen protector coming. So if this one doesn't go, I'll just wear it without it. I'll just go, you know, raw. No protection, raw. Until the new one comes in and put that one on. But this thin part now doesn't look like it wants to go on because that screen protector is thick. So, and it looks like it wants to make it bubble if you try to force it on there Right now it's on in all the spots. We'll see maybe if I can squeegee that out at the bottom. Put that over a little bit. But yeah, right now it doesn't want to sit completely flush. I mean, it's on there. It's on there all the way. Got it on all the corners. Open and close. Open, close. Okay. So yeah, it's on there. Maybe it just needs to settle in a little bit, but there you have it, man. Let me turn the screen on. Does it want to turn on? There we go. Hopefully the new one that I have, it's more kind of like the later cases. Hopefully it's like a later case, is a thinner one like that. That'll sit over a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, I might have to do a little work as far as the squeegeeing on that, but it's on there though. I got it locked in on all sides, so that's that. And I think the glass screen protector is better coverage. All right. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.